my demo diesel, and as you can see, this is the exits it's running. As you can see, there's got no smoke or any emissions, so that tells you that the node in here functional. As you can see, let me put some lights. It's running at around 700 RPM. Of course, we can see the day to day. The only thing that doesn't show is the month. And as you can see, it runs perfectly. So for the acceleration, it runs a bit. If we look at the accelerator pedal, let me do it again. Just a little. The little is what is needed. A little goes a long way, as we say. So that's it. I think I've done a demo to this thing, and probably you'll understand more once you put in your vehicle and understand that you will be saving much more besides cleaning your environment. Hello there. This is the test of the hydrogen hybrid typical efficiency. Though not professional, it's a way in which one can ascertain with some degree of accuracy that indeed this unit has some efficiency while adopted into an internal combustion engine, be it diesel or petrol. This unit can be installed into a small vehicle, large commercial vehicle, construction equipment, generators, and machines that run on internal combustion engine. This is one of the hybrid adoptions which never alters the way your engine works, but enhances fuel conversions to energy and lowering exhaust emissions. This installation, besides the safety in use, doesn't interfere with your vehicle insurance policy, for it's not invasive installation. The liquid that is in the reservoir runs for 500 kilometers to 1,000 before it requires replenishing, depending on the vehicle size and the mode of use. We have distribution points all over the country, and the cost per liter of this hydrogen holding fluid is 1,000 shillings. As you can see, the installation requires the most basic skills in mechanics, so anyone with an installation guide should do it. While starting my efficiency experiment, it requires a fuel pump, which I can drive from the car fuel pump control. For this vehicle, I had done a couple of modifications earlier and had replaced the return system with an electronic control system. I also had replaced its original nozzles and part of the intake through, though all it's not relevant to the test that I'm carrying on today. I'll be hooking in the pipe from the external pump and run it with the car fuel supply. All that I've done is to make a mark of where I want the fuel in the jar to reach. In this test, I'm interested only on the displaced amount of fuel by the pump, which when the mark is reached, I'll stop the test. I run the tests when the car has the hydrogen system on, that is hooked in the intake manifold, and when it is removed. When it is in the intake, it is when it is running with the hydrogen hybrid, and when it's removed, it's when it's not running with it. For the stopwatch, I'll use the camera counting, and during my editing, I'll preserve the tests. I'll preserve the test period as unedited. I think we can now do the analysis of the difference in time frames between when we can also even try again and remove the hydrogen system, disconnect it. That's just to put it on and ensure that it reaches to a lower mark. I don't know whether my measurement is accurate, but seems like we've got too much of the petrol, so let's reduce it. As you can see, we've got an accurate measurement. It might be a little bit excess, but it's an average of what you want. Zima.